Dimension of physical quantities. Dimension of physical quantity are the powers to which the base quantities are raised to represent that quantity. The dimension of length, mass, time are denoted as L, M, and T. Dimension of some quantities. It represent in bracket form. Let us take some example. First one, area. Area is equal to length into breadth. L is representing L as well as breadth is also representing L. So L multiply L is equal to L square. Area is L square. Next, volume. Volume equal to length into breadth into height. Initially we saw length and breadth is represented in L as well as in height also represented in L. So L into L into L is L cube. Volume is L cube. Next, density. Density is mass by volume. Mass is m. Volume is, in second one we see volume already. Volume is equal to L cube. So you write L cube. You take L cube is in upward, so it goes to negative sign. So L power minus 3. So last density is ml power minus 3. Next one, velocity. Velocity is displacement by time taken. In same way, displacement is taken L and time is taken L. So T goes to an upward side. So T power minus 1. LT power minus 1. Acceleration. Acceleration is change in velocity by time taken. Velocity is LT power minus 1 and time taken is T. So answer is LT power minus 2. And sixth one, force. Force is mass into acceleration. So yeah, mass is m and acceleration is in fifth one LT power minus 2. So finally MLT power minus 2. Seventh one, pressure. Pressure is force by area. Pressure is P. So mLT power minus 2 divided by L square. So final answer is ml power minus 1 T power minus 2. Next, linear momentum. Linear momentum is mass into velocity. M into LT power minus 1. So mLT power minus 1. Linear momentum is indicated in P. So ninth one, work done. Work done is represented in W. So W is equal to force into displacement. In sixth way, we found force is mLT power minus 2, displacement is L. So mL square T power minus 2. And last one, kinetic energy. Kinetic energy, it represented E or EK, is half into mass into velocity square. Don't take any letter in digit form. Advantages of dimensions analysis. To check the correctness of given equation. To derive relation between physical quantities. Limitation of dimension analysis. The value of constant of proportionality can't be determined. The relation between the physical quantities can't be derived if the nature of constant is not known. Okay friends, this is the some explain about dimensional analysis. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you.